What is up, guys? Stromatic here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get AI models for free, and these are actually super good models that are pretty good with reasoning, especially comparing them to local models. So you can see we have MuseSpark here, which is Facebook's or Meta's AI model. We got Nemotron, Nemo V2.5, and High 3, and these are all free. You can see right here, contributor as well. So this Spark 1.2 is contributor model. I'm going to be showing you guys how to actually get this on your computer, and you can use it. There's no account needed or sign up. So the first thing, what you're going to have to do is, so with that method, you're going to have to download OpenCode. You can do this through your terminal or actually download the application right here. So you can either download it, you can see it's available on Mac, Windows, and Linux. And that's what this is right here, right, with these 4 free models. So I highly recommend this. You know, they pretty much just have a big user base, so they're able to get free models like this. So you can even see, like, I'll just do a quick little test right here. And this is the contributor model. So I'll say like the benefits and the disadvantages of something like this with the free models comparing to something like Codex, right? But you can see right here, MuseSpark, right? So here's the thing though. All you have to do is you press download right here and you'll get as a DMG or a .exe for Windows, or you can run this in your terminal. And once you run it, then all you have to do is actually open up your terminal, type in OpenCode like this, and you'll see it opens up like this, and then you can just do /models and you can select the free models right here if you like using it in terminal, like kind of like Claude Code. So there's that method. Another method is Ollama. So if you have a really good computer or a graphics card with lots of RAM, you can always run your own model locally, which won't be as fast, which is why I recommend OpenCode as the first option, because these are cloud models which allow you to use their network, their like computers and everything like that. So their compute pretty much, and it allows you just to do everything a lot faster. But local, you know, you have options in terms of like having uncensored models and stuff like that. So you can see right here I have Gamma 4.426. I also have Quen 3.5 uncensored. And the thing is, you can use Ollama to activate this. You can also run these in your terminal, but usually Ollama is like the best way to kind of have it going, especially keep your chats and stuff like that. And if you go right here, so if you go to huggingface.co right here, huggingface.co, and you press models on the top here, you can actually download any of these models and use it within Ollama. You can go in, choose any of these. You can see we have all these different types of models. There's some that are unrestricted, uncensored. It also depends on your computer and how much RAM you have, how much compute you have. Because if you have a really good Mac, then that's totally different than something like a Mac Mini that only has like a few gigabytes of RAM, right? So that's another method, and I will say these are probably 2 of the best methods right now, at least with OpenCode. And now if you were really locked in, you could actually just set up Buzz, download the application, install OpenCode. If you go to settings and then agents right here, you can install the OpenCode CLI, have that set up within Buzz, add an agent, and then right here you can do custom for this agent. And then right here you would go down, go to OpenCode where it says agent harness, and then you can choose the model, right? And then you can use some of the free ones, right? So you can have MuseSpark 1.2 free, and then have this as, you know, so just do Spark channel as a quick little add the agent, and then you can add that to your actual channel and do, so we can add the agent or Spark channel, boom, right? And then have it talk to it through OpenCode through Buzz, so you can have like multiple different of the free LLMs running at the exact same time. So that's probably one of the best methods I would personally say, is you set up, you know, all these different free LLMs. You can see right here, hey, Spark channel here, what's up? So you can have all these different free LLMs, and you can have all of them talking at the exact same time, talking with each other. I think that's one of the best bets. You could kind of see a more bigger, or you can see a broader, more explanation of the Buzz video on my actual channel. But overall, yeah, so I would definitely download OpenCode, go through, you can see you have the free models here, and on the terminal, it shows a few more. So you can literally just get these, like some of these are a little bit different, but you could have the terminal, run that, and then have these free models from that sense, or run them locally, or get OpenCode on Buzz and then have all of them running at the exact same time. I would say also Bird. So Bird is almost like I guess it's kind of like a more personal way of doing it. But the thing is, I'm unable to get OpenCode running on it right now. But it would be also a very good thing to have. So once they kind of add support for OpenCode, you would have that running, get OpenCode in here, either through Goose or whatever, and then, you know, be chatting through here with your sub agents in this way. Just for them to have a little bit more personality. But this works fine as well. It's just you're able to, you know, kind of have a little more customization with either or. So yeah, but I would say this is definitely the best method. And you can see you can also choose, you know, the variant and everything. So we have Muse 1.2. The one disadvantage I will say though is that with these free models, you obviously don't have the same like amount of privacy as you would with something like Codex or Claude. You know, with those you're paying for the subscription, but with something like 1.2 free, right? So Muse Spark 1.2 free. The thing I want to say right here is, So if you go to models, you can see it's 1.2 Spark free. But what they don't mention, which they do, I believe, on the actual application of this, is, let's see, what model is this? This is actually the contributor model. So with the contributor model, it's a lot cheaper than something like Spark. I believe it's the exact same model. It's just all the information that you are inputting. Facebook/Meta is able to, you can see right here, contributor. Facebook/Meta is able to use that for training their own applications. So, or their own training process for the LLMs and everything. So I definitely would watch out with that if you are using it for like something very private, like applications that you don't want out and about or models trained on. You always have to keep that in mind. And then also, if you go on X and you actually follow OpenCode on X, you're able to see that they actually do release certain models for free at times as well. So you can see right here, MuseSpark 1.2 from AI at Meta is available free in OpenCode, now available in more regions. You also see Ox Alpha Stealth model is for free for the next week. So they've been releasing different models that have been free. You can see what capacity front trillion. So there's definitely a lot of capacity in terms of actually using this. So I definitely would follow them on X. X is one of the best platforms when it comes to AI news and just keeping up to with creators and certain companies. So I'd say OpenCode is your best bet. Get that running, get buzz with it. If you have any questions regarding the buzz, definitely check out the buzz video I've posted on my channel. It'll help you out, kind of get introduced to the whole application itself, and then see how to really have your channels running and have all these agents talking to each other even from your phone, because they do have the Buzz app. So yeah, and it's super cool, like I said. But yeah, if you do have any questions, definitely know in the comments below. And in my opinion, this is one of the best ways to have free AI models running with you, for you. So yeah, as always, guys, it's been the one and only Stromatic. Peace.